it's Mom's call.
Charlie, I'll be late getting home. Will you pick Max up from school?
Yes, Mom. I'll go pick him up. You just come home safely. Okay, I'm getting into the car quickly and leaving. Hey, security guard uncle, please open the gate quickly. I have to go pick up Max. Finally, I've reached Max's school. Max, I'm here. Come quickly. Today Mom is late, so I've come to pick you up.
Max, look. Charlie has come to pick you up. Go home safely.
Okay, teacher, bye.
Bye-bye, Max.
Max, hold on to the car properly. We're going home.
My dear children, I am Lord Jesus. If you want a gift at Christmas, then be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.